Lesson 5. How do our bodies digest food, remove waste, and send messages? Here is our words: stomach, liver, pancreas, kidney, and bladder. All right, yes, I want you to do this experiment. Get some sugar cubes, 2 plastic cups, a measuring cup, water, and a stopwatch. Follow the directions for the power of chewing. What goes in? All right, your food travels down your esophagus. A long tube in your throat goes to your stomach, which is just a big muscular bag that mashes your food together. It also mixes with the digestive system, juices. From there, it passes to the small intestines. The small intestines is a long coiled tube that digests food and absorbs nutrients. Please watch the video. Then go back to the large intestines. That's got water and mineral are passed, soaking up, leaving only waste. Solid waste passes out of our body. Watch the videos. Those are just some of the process. Watch the video again. Then all the nutrients and stuff has to go to the liver or some of the waste has to go through these pots. The liver makes bile that helps break large blobs of fat into tiny droplets so the fat can be broken down easily. So if we put too much fat in our body, the liver can't keep up because it doesn't have enough bile, so that's how we put on weight. Watch the video on the liver. The pancreas makes juices that release into small intestines to help break down fat and proteins and have it go to the body. Video again. The gallbladder stores bile from the liver and sends it to the small intestines only when the food passes through. Watch your gallbladder one. Looking at some of the labels is important. We've talked about looking at the labels. Now we got the excretory system. Well, guess what? What comes in has to go out. So the excretory system gets rid of the body waste and keeps the water and salt levels in balance. When nutrients is broken down, waste products are made. The liver converts ammonia and is very toxic to urine, which is less toxic. Your body releases this as urine, so that toxic gets developed back down into urine. Your lungs are also part of the excretory system because let's think about this. What do we want out of our body? What's a waste? It's the carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide goes out when you release it. It is a waste product. The urinary system filters the blood and gets rid of the waste as urine. The kidneys are organs that remove waste from the blood. Kidneys also conserve water and keep the amount of salt in that balance. Please watch the video. Urine collects in a tube called the ureter that moves the urine to the bladder. The bladder is where it's all stored. And the urethra is a small tube that gets the waste out of the urine out of your body. So talk to your partners about all these parts of the kidney and where they go and how it goes out. Yes, you are mature enough to look at this picture and talk about it. At least I hope you're a 5th grader and you can do that. Hormones are chemicals that carry messages to your body. It tells your body when to grow, that you're growing and you're changing. Groups of cells called glands produce hormones. Glands and hormones are made of the endocrine system. Watch the video. This is when you start growing pubic hair, you start getting more pimples, some of the boys get deeper voices. The pituitary gland is located underneath the brain, produces hormones that tell other glands what to do. The pituitary gland is the king of all the glands that deal with the hormones. The thyroid produces hormones that gives you energy. So when your energy goes up and down, the thyroid gland is producing that. The adrenal gland is located above the kidneys, and it produces adrenaline. The pancreas produces a hormone that controls your blood sugar, so that's people who are diabetic, it's coming from your blood sugar. Your pancreas isn't working well, so it's got to release insulin. Once again, lots of information. Go back and look at your notes, answer the questions together for the quiz. All right.